Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Marsha's here. Hi Marsha, how you doing? We're back for yet another stream. It is the 18th of December of 2021. And the plan for today is to catch up on open source since I have been busy with advent of code and haven't really kept that up to date, but we will be doing some of that today. How are y'all doing? Let me say hi to everyone who is here. Jess, Lucy, and Fixture Jake, and Marsha were all here before the stream started, so hello to all of you. JJMC was first today. Fixture Jake is also here. I already said hi to Fixture Jake. 2 highs to Fixture Jake. There we go. Crow. I believe this is Crow. Yes, it's Crow. Crow, good to see you. Third. Yep, indeed. And that's it. Oh, we've got Jack W. Burge as well. Good to see you again. Hello. Did you have a good sleeps? It was all right. I feel like I could have slept better. Ooh, Vorzr. Thank you for the resub at tier 1 at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Welcome. Good to see you again. Right. So I think, let's do the easiest thing first. Yeah, let's do that. That'll get us started. Need a browser. Give browser. At least it wasn't a bad sleeps. Yeah, that's true. It could have been worse, but it was all right. Okay, so this is adding ARM wheel support to, well, not even ARM wheel support, just ARM building to shell check py. Gavin! Good to see you again. Hello. I wish I had wheels for arms. Yeah, that would be dope. How's it going, Kevin? Good to see you again. Schwarzchild's also here. Hello. Okay, so they switched it from being just the platform to being platform plus architecture. Cool. Seems fine. Gavin! With the resub at 17 months and tier 3. Thank you for your continued support, Kevin. It is great to see you again. Where's your command? There we go. Okay. I think this is the right value. Platform.machine. The only one I can't really test is macOS. Python. Platform.machine. Yes, is indeed AMD 64. I don't know what that's going to do for 32-bit Python on Windows, but fuck them, I guess. Benakami says, did you see the Kinesis Advantage 360? Does it look interesting to you? I did see it. Kinesis. God, I can't fucking spell. I should just look down. It's on my fucking keyboard. I did see this. I will not be getting it. I am really garbage at non-standard key arrangements. So while it looks cool, it's not really for me. I did try the original Advantage and the Advantage 2, and I could not type on them to save my life. So I will not be doing that. But it looks cool. I know a bunch of people that will be getting it, but not me. Eagle PT, hello. Good to see you again. Victory Bridge says a keyboard that can do streams. What? What do you mean can do streams? Looks like a hybrid of what you have in the older versions. Yeah, basically. Yeah, I think that the idea is that it's the same sort of cup layout as the original Advantage and Advantage 2, but wider apart. Kevin says, I really need to find the energy to continue with AOC. Did a min-sum implementation for J15 just to realize in part 2 that my assumptions were off. I assumed you could only move down and right, so now my code is all wrong. I guess it's time for Dijkstra's. Yeah, the example for day 15 was a little misleading on that. But Yeah, a lot of people made that same assumption. Hope I will probably getting the one you have next year. Nice, cool. Oh, is it terrible? Oh, a terrible joke based on AWS Kinesis. Okay, I get it now. I get it now. Typing on an iPad is hard. Yeah. Hope they don't kill it. I don't see why they would kill it. It seems like their flagship product right now. Black Muffin says weird keyboard and mouse combo. Well, this actually isn't a mouse. It is it just looks pretty and spins. I actually have just a standard mouse. But yes, the keyboard is a little bit out there. I look pretty in spin. Nice. Okay, I think this is right. Do I get code squashed like a ghost? Yeah, probably, because there's 4 commits here. Added to do note. Yeah, we'll shell check pi, shell check pi. Octa Elliptical, welcome to the stream. Kevin says, how have the other days been since 15? Any hard ones? Or is there a chance to get back on track? I've completed all of them in under an hour. I don't know if that tells you anything, though. Rahul from Earth, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 15. Ooh, this one is just barely slower. I don't know. They've all been fairly okay. 18 was a lot of reading, but the problem actually wasn't that hard. But the solutions were all fairly, like the leaderboard didn't fill up until like 39 minutes. Yeah. Why in the .py not .cfg? What do you mean, Jacktoe Verge? For what thing? Hey, what's up, Senpas? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Octoelliptical says, I love your style of code. Well, we haven't even written any code yet today. Hey, what's up, Biniar? Good to see you again. ODI dev. The Witcher season 2 is out, so it's all about priorities. Nice. Nice. Pick 2F. Get push and F. I can't rewind in Twitch, but why modify changes in setup.py rather than move to setup.cfg? So this particular package does have all of its metadata in setup.cfg, but its setup.py has a lot of specialized behavior to download and repackage this binary. And you know, this is arbitrary code that cannot be done purely through configuration. This package is special. It's very different than the other ones you would see. Oh, right. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. I was like, why do we use a bytes.io when we could just use the wire? But the wire's not seekable. This is seekable. That's why that works that way. Why is our stack overflowing? This is like the only obvious way to do this. That probably blames to the other maintainer. Do you use VS Code? I do not. This is my text editor. It looks like VS Code because it uses the same theming, or the same type of themes and syntax highlighting. But I re-implemented my own highlighting engine. Do you ever read the algorithm book and data structures? Nope. They get so good at these kinds of programming puzzles. I don't know, just kind of luck and whatever. I just feel like you find everything I say cryptic. No, I'm just really bad at reading in context in chat because there's so much stuff that goes on, and so I just have to, like, keep things in my brain. And yeah, it's not just you. I have a hard time keeping up with chat a lot of times. Bineyar has redeemed Type Racer. All right, Bineyar, are we doing hard mode or normal mode? Which Type Racer mode would you like? Type Racer gets the password. Hard mode. Okay. Usually you get more bang for your buck in hard mode. We'll see how that goes. No, we will not upgrade to premium. Instant death mode. Okay, race your friends, and anyone can join this. Make sure to click join or you won't be part of it. By clicking this button. Alright, time to get destroyed by Marsha. Oh, okay, there's not too much punctuation. I could maybe do this one. Well, we're off to a great start. Fuck. Scanned? Nah, not scanned. This is fine. Oh, Marsha, are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Wow! Good job, Marsha. Oh, guest died also. Why is the time still going? Everyone's died. Why is the time still going? Hello? Alright, we'll wait for the next one. Let's see, a typo is actually called Marsha Rocks. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to the stream. It's Zeus. Alright. Next one. How does one pronounce asotile? It should be asotile, but my family goes by the anglicized pronunciation. So it's a little inaccurate, but wait, isn't this the same one we just had? No, this is slightly different. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Sotile would be the Italian pronunciation, but we say sotili, like so silly, but with a T. And not a Scotty like a lot of people end up with. Oh, Marsha finished again. Wow. Getting rolled here. Getting absolutely rolled here. Oh, did I not even join that one? Because it said could be you. I think I just didn't even join that one. Whoops. Okay, this one could be fine as well. What? Where'd that come from? Oh, I was doing so well, too. I was doing so well. Code Blue, how you doing? My typing speed is slowed down considerably. I've decided to learn Colmac. Oh, wow. Oh, we had someone else finish today, too. Wow. I haven't finished one yet. Yeah, me neither. I did bestest on the feet song. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, this one's gonna suck. was so close! Ah! Son of a bitch. I'm not thrilling for content. I just suck. Ah. Can I link the race? Yeah, it was linked up here. What happens if you change the keyboard in the middle of a race? Then I will switch. Snow KDF, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Koniggeist, good to see you again. Whoops, gotta click join. Oh, this has punctuation and a dash in it. This one's cursed. I read that one wrong. He's so screamy. How badly did it peak? That's what I really want to know. Sorry, headphone users. My bad. Oh, that was loud. Didn't notice it was instant death? Yeah, that's why it's hard mode. That's why it's hard mode. Oh, we're never gonna finish this. Okay, we did it. Finally did it. We finally did it. Okay. Ah. I wanted you to mess with the last second again. I know, I was about to. I was so close to mistyping vision. Oh. Is that Vim in the background? Bot got you. The bot knew what's up there. Okay. Did I push? Are we good here? Is this back to one commit? Yep. Okay, so then we can... What did I just do? What the fuck have I just done? What is this? This feels like the menu glitch in BDSP. Go away. No, I don't want to learn more. Oh, I clicked the projects tab. Okay, that's what happened. Let's get rid of the projects tab because we literally don't use it. Projects. Okay. We can approve, yes, okay. And then I have to make a release. This thing, if I remember correctly, is kind of a pain to make a release for. Internet Builder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. When was the last time I made a release? Let's see what wheels I have to put up on PyPI as well. Or P... No, S. She'll check Pi. What? Did they get rid of the short things? No, why did they get rid of the short things? No, that was the best fucking feature. No. No. I really liked this shorthand. It's a shame to see it is gone. I was using this No, that fucking sucks. That sucks. Is a redirect really that costly? I don't think so. I suspect what people were doing is using index URL equals pypi/s. But I don't even think that worked because this was just for packages. So yeah, I don't know. I literally use this page all the fucking time and now it's gone. That sucks. We're gonna revert it? That doesn't help me. I can't change pypi.org by forking and reverting it. It doesn't do anything. Oh, that sucks. You seen typing.io? No, I've not. Internet Builder, thank you for the follow. And Phosphorescent, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh yes, I have seen typing.io. Yep. Kevin says, unfortunately I have to go, haven't slept much. And take care of my sick dad. Take care, and I'll see you around next time. Well, thank you for stopping by, Kevin. Absolutely, those things are way more important than my stream, so it's good to see you as always, and I'll see you around. I think I've seen the developer of it stream too. The developer, the person that added typing.io. Oh, yeah, perhaps. Time to make a user script with the redirect. Stupid though. So stupid. Because I can't user script at work, and I use it at work all the time. What the fuck? That's not what I wanted to do. What the fuck? What is all this shit in here? Why is there content security policies? Why are there frames? What in the hell? But also, why is my user script not working? This? Just errors? Why is my user script not firing? Can I not use console.log in here? Is that a thing? It's been a while since I've written a user script. Oh, I wonder if user scripts are going to be blocked by CSP. Let me look at some of my other user scripts. That just accesses this window directly. This one, Is it window.console.log? That what I need to do? That's not working either. Grease monkey match regex. Will we ever be able to pip search? Probably never. Godwo, hello, welcome back. Pyro, good to see you again. Constant log should work for sure. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm guessing the match is not working. Was it just supposed to be a star? Or is it a regex? I think it's a star, not a regex, and that's why. Why is it trying to load YouTube? Oh, there it is. We got it. Okay, cool. Now I can muck around with this. Window or location window.location.href equals, just do this for regex. Window.location.href.replace. Yeah, that works. What is this script here? Why is there a script on this page? There isn't. Why is the browser think there's a script on this page? Well, this will have to do for now. That's annoying. Some extension probably? No, we ended up doing it. You can mutate href directly? Yeah, exactly. What is Tamper Monkey? Tamper Monkey is a way to make user scripts. I think I have a repo for these that I should put this in. Yes. I haven't edited this repo in 5 years. Which means I should probably put other things in there. And one of them is for Pokemon Friend Safari. IPIS redirect.user.js. Anna, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Add PyPI/s redirector. The Armchair General, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, the reason I did this is I wanted to open this in Firefox so that it is installed there. I'll make sure that it works in Firefox. It flashes the 404 page quickly. Well, fine, I guess. What are my other scripts? Because maybe those should be in how do I dashboard? The Discord one. Yeah, I don't know that these are worth checking in. I'm surprised how much code is in this. This is just to make my little pink box in Twitch. I should maybe check that in at some point, but not today. The Endless River, hello, good to see you again. Mustafa, welcome back. Is Tamper Monkey not working? No, it's working. It's working. It's just annoying that I have to use Tamper Monkey for that. But I like how I noticed within 30 minutes of them breaking it. That's fucking crazy. Sad. Also, I'm pretty sure I have that in a video too. So now my video is just fucking wrong. Are you looking so high for the second monitor? Yeah, if you look at my... this is what my setup looks like. Oh, I was looking way up at the top of the top monitor. Up here. But yeah, that's why. Sad. The ASC streaming schedule unfortunately does not fit mine. Too exhausted to stay up late. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. No, Booty! Hello, hello! Good to see you again. How are you doing? Okay. What was I doing? I was looking at what we made last time. I did plain macOS, plain mini Linux, plain Windows. That's it. I think I will do the same again. Okay. Hating my life. Oh, guys, Log4j. Yeah, Log4j has fucking sucked. And where is our version number? Postfix version Pi version 2. The 0.8.0.2. Our PyPI password. Get push origin head tags. And I think I have to make the mini Linux wheel myself. Do we have a mini Linux image around? We do. Invalid reference format. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be -v. And Python -m pip dist this. And then pip wheel. Why did that take so long to error? Pip is hilariously slow. I don't understand how it is so slow. It kind of makes me want to rewrite pip, but I also kind of don't want to do that. But I'm tempted. Definitely not today though. Audit wheel repair, I think it is. Wow, that program is slow too. Repair, and then -w dist. Cool. So we should have this. Holy fucking that tag! Wow, god damn. Got every tag under the sun. Upload that to PyPI. Boop. We gotta do the Windows and macOS wheels. Casually rewrite pip sounds like a fun weekend project. I feel like you could do it way simpler, but... Breaking news, a well-known Python open source maintainer says that pip is bad and is gonna rewrite it in Rust. Yeah, well, so pip is actually not that complicated, or it shouldn't be that complicated. It is, but it maybe shouldn't be. Like, realistically, what it should do is do index scraping, then do dependency resolution, and then do installation. The thing is, or the problem is, the dependency resolution depends on building things, and the building things part of pip is really fucking complicated. And so that's why it's so sprawling. Okay, so this is done already. All repos. Mahesh Gregme. I definitely said that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Azure Pipelines templates bin the 0.8.0.2. Yes. Mac OS and when our IPI password. Cool. I saw some bash command usage, maybe in manuals. Is backtick and then single quote. So there's a lot of like error messages that do that. Not this one because I do this. This is my own error message. So a lot of error messages do this. This is just to simulate curly quotes, but in ASCII. It does not mean anything. I actually find this really annoying. I think it looks dumb. And it breaks highlighting in some cases too. But yeah, the backtick at the front and a single quote at the end is to look like curly quotes. That's why it is done that way. We just tags, releases. And we got 802. Cool. Silly buttons! How you doing? Thank you for the bits. Welcome back. The scraping part is weird for me. Why does Pip have to parse HTML instead of working with JSON or whatever? And the reason for that is PyPI is hella old. Like a very, very, very old quote-unquote standard. And this page structure is what has dictated that standard. And so it largely continues to do this for backwards compatibility issues or reasons, because there are many other PyPI servers that don't implement the same JSON API as it does. And you know, this actually isn't the worst to parse, and they've actually extended it further. Like you can see, there's this data requires Python in there, which is how requires works. But yeah, I agree. A JSON API would be better. There is a JSON API for PyPI. It's just not used. There's some limit on packages on PyPI. Remember the package that ships a jar, and they say is there some limit? There are 2 limits that I know of. One is per package. I think you can only have like 12 gigs or something like that. And then per distribution, I don't know what the limit is. I think it's around 1 gigabyte. I'm not sure. It's fairly large. Unless that jar is massive, it shouldn't make a big deal. But I guess it wouldn't be unheard of to have a gigabyte jar. Well, okay, one thing down. Many to go. All right, let's do this one next. Remember some packages breaking the limit or some machine learning thing? Oh yeah, fucking Torch. It's always Torch. 168 meg wheel? That's not that big. TensorFlow is like 400. I grumble about that forever. Yeah, this one's much bigger than 168 megs. 400, just like I said? Yeah, 466. So this is a big boy. Although Torch is even bigger. I don't know if Torch is allowed on PyPI though, because it's so big. Well, looks like it is. This one's like 1.2 gigs. Here's this one. What? Why is it so small here? The torch we use at work is like 2 gigs. Why is this only 50 megs? Oh, we use the GPU wheels. Maybe that's what it is. Torch, GPU wheels. I don't know where to download them from. Whatever. Lynn says, what are we working on? We're doing some miscellaneous open sourcey stuff today. We just finished merging a patch to shell check pi, which allows it to install on on ARM and yeah, on ARM. They have to ship something for model survey versus training. I think it's that it ships every different combination of potential GPU findings, and so did that. Drink Time Lord says, yo, yeah, I mean, welcome to 15 minutes ago. Where they already removed it. And I already commented that I'm sad about it. Caching issues and redirects being bad for APIs. I don't know that there's actually a... Yeah, I don't think there's actually a problem. I think they're solving for a theoretical problem that doesn't exist, but... But caching redirects is really easy. I'm pretty sure Fastly could just cache that redirect forever. But... yeah, it sucks. I'm mad. But what are you gonna do? Could have done a head request to get the size if the API supports it. Doesn't always support it. It looks like it did there. But not all APIs support head. Hey, what's up? Let me ask. Hello. Funk, yeah. Yeah. I'm not happy about that, but dun, 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 dun. The main issue that I'm concerned with is it's relatively easy to end up with a file that's marked with filter LFS, but it's not actually using LFS. Def J, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. You need to do a -L for curl to behave nicely. It prints out the heads. Oh, cool. Sleephunt says I support head. That's a capital I, not an L. Not an L. I see. Well, if they don't have an API that returns the right value, we can't use this. Explains custom exception. Have I done something on exception handling? I know I did something on tracebacks. I did something with typing. What is this video about? That one's so long ago that I don't even... 82. What were you about? Oh, yeah. This thing. Indeed. Testing exceptions. Exceptions in is instance. Best practices. There's a few videos about exceptions. Wow, this is even worse. Hmm. Um. Yeah, just kind of get LFS is kind of shitty software, but the way things go. But creating a custom message for my exception. Override in it, use an F string. So you don't want to assign self.args like that. You kind of have two options for doing what you want to do. One is just overriding stir and using self.args here. This is one way. The other is calling super with some string directly. I tend to prefer this one just because this gets a little bit wobbly when you start worrying. Well, first it gets wobbly because this this signature is going to be different than what you have here, and if you pickle it and unpickle it, it's just not going to work. Whereas this will survive pickle round trips. So I would tend to do this one. But wobbly pickles, yeah. Yeah. Have you done something on raise from? Yeah, I have. I don't think raise from is the best practice. I think raise from is pedantic and useless, but I do go over it in that video. Hey, what's up, Tesseract? Hello, hello. Yeah, because raise from doesn't really change much, but the messaging. And I don't think it actually improves the messaging that much. Like, it's a big syntax complexity for not that much benefit in my mind. Mr. Singh, are we playing hard mode again, or are we playing easy mode? What are we doing today? I've also got the standing desk at the same time, so we're already up in the difficulty. All right, Mr. Singh, what are we doing? Which type racer mode? We skirmish to the death. Does that mean hard mode? Is that hard mode? Hard mode? Hey, what's up, Beldothis? Hello, hello. Which mode, Mr. Singh? Yes, hard mode. Oh, God damn it. All right, we'll do it again. Here we go, chat. Make sure to click join. Kanan says it's 3 a.m. Whoa. Is this the first ever standing type raiser? No, we've done this many times. Many times. Kroll Lucifer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wow, someone's got a fancy ass car. Look at that shit. First try, let's go! I feel like I scammed you here. And the fancy car beat me out by 2 words per minute. That's pretty good though. Wow. Okay, that was I feel like I scammed you, so maybe we should do one without instant death? I don't know. Well, I feel like this is fine. Doesn't count? What do you mean doesn't count? What do you mean? Okay, we'll do one more. Even if I don't get it though. Oh, there's no fucking way we're getting this one. There's no way we're getting this one. No! Oh my god, I was doing so well! Okay, well. Anyway. Thank you for the type-based redeem. Then he just buffed him up. Usually I'm worse while standing. What's instant death mode? Yeah, anything, any typo you die. He's so screamy, yes. There was precisely that one where I fucked up and was real loud. Okay. So we're not gonna take the LFS patch. We did the shell check thing. Snowcone, how are you doing? Good to see you again. I I got my Twitch thing. A viewer one. I have both. I guess we can do both of those. Let's do both of my Twitch recaps. Pop this up. There we go. So here's my viewer recap. Recap. It's gonna highlight these everywhere because that's what I searched for. Here are my most watched channels this year. Juicebox, Snowcone, Where's X, Alta 4, and Small Ants. Mostly watching, this is I guess before it switched to software game development. I guess this happened later in the year. Art? Oh, I guess Juice streamed in art. And this is entirely Small Ant. This is almost entirely Snowcone. I used hello more than anything else. That seems about right. Only 8,000 chat messages? I don't know how I redeemed this many channel points. What the fuck did I spend channel points on? Like this must be gambling. Because I don't think I spent channel points on... Yeah, I can't think of anything I would spend channel points on. But I guess I did. Sub to 16 channels. I'm a super fan of Where Is X. Well, yeah, that's my viewer summary. GGWP, nice. Let's do the streamer summary. Yeah, here we go. This is my streamer summary. Have you talked about Log4j yet? I made a video about it. Explains Log4Shell. Yeah, check out that video. How do you get that many channel points? I don't know. Dictionary says it says I redeemed over 1 million channel points, so I have to assume it includes gambling. Okay. That would make sense then. Because I definitely gamble a lot of channel points. I guess if that counts as spending them, then it makes sense. Blah, 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 blah. 1193 hours. This actually undercounts my hours. Because this was sent the 15th, and we have streamed at least 10 hours since then. But pretty good ratio here. Like what, 80x? So that means my average viewer count is like 70-ish, which is pretty good. Your most watched categories. Oh, this is literally just the 5 categories that I streamed though. I guess I'm actually surprised. I'm surprised that FTL is higher than food and drink, because we did like 2 baking streams. I think I only did like 1 or 2 FTL streams, and way more people watched the food and drink streams. So this surprises me. But 5,000 unique followers this year. At a peak, yeah, I got some massive raid from like, wasn't it from like Kitboga or whatever? So this number's kind of fake. 1,000% hype train. This is inflated by the bot, but also pretty funny. You all accumulated 3.6 million channel points. Holy shit. And DDoS had the most with this. Although I think this is from betting probably. Pokemon streamer, yeah. Hey, what's up, Mindstory? Yeah, Kippo got rated me once. But yeah, that's my recap. In case you wanted to see. Who has these points? Bonatha says I only have 183k. Only. I should come up with new things for you guys to spend them on. I don't know what to do though. I could sing you guys songs. Yeah, like 50k channel points and I sing you some emo song. 453k? God damn, rollers. Holy shit. Oh, what the fuck? God damn. Are you trying to get to 1 million? Good way to get channel points. Wait until Anthony is working on deadsnakes and bet on it failing. Yeah, well, we're going to be working on deadsnakes later today, so there is potential for that. Oh, man. Snowcone says, Anthony, since you were my top watch channel, may I have the VIP back that I rejected before? Yeah. You still have to finish the first 10 days of Advent of Code, though. But there you go, Snowcone. Okay. Yeah, that's against the terms of service by NR. Unfortunately, they are not redeemable for cash or cash equivalents. Also, they're banned in a bunch of countries because they are actually gambling. Ansem, hello, welcome. Good to see you. I still do all of them, I swear. I'm doing well. Yes, I read that right. Okay, it's like Ansem and Annie-sim. Welcome. Okay, the next PR. This is a big one. Also by somebody who streams. Do they use the same handle on Twitch? Should know. I've watched their stream many times. Yes. So we'll give a shout out to Matt, who worked on this here. I get in trouble for gambling with imaginary currency. I mean, in some countries, like I think in Germany, you can't bet channel points or something like that. But okay, this adds Lua support to pre-commit. Yes, and I have only partially reviewed this, so we're gonna go through the code first, then the comments next. Oh, did pre-commit finally get to 7,000 stars? That says 7k, but that's usually rounded. Oh shit! Look at that. Well, that's worth it. Oh. That's worth printing the page. Oh, this is gonna show my phone number. I am going to tweet her about it. Once I log into this account. Felipe Fontana, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Log into the Twitter. Oh, yep. Showed my phone number. Is there a mutual fund for babbies? Yeah, you really want to game the market there, get your 4% year over year on babbies. I think it's fucking crazy that Twitter is like you log in with you log in with your two-factor with your phone, and then it immediately pops something up that is like, is this your phone number? Yeah, I just typed in the two-factor code for it. Of course it is my phone number. Okay. What did I say the last time this happened? When was 6,000 stars was in June. Oh, that's actually, it's got 1,000 stars in 6 months. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Welcome new follower, yeah. Showing phone number, that reminds me the last time I created a Microsoft account. Yeah, Microsoft just shows it straight up. At least you didn't show your credit card number. Wait, did you show your credit card number, Snowcone? Wait, what? Hey, where is X is here? How are you doing? Are you feeling better? Where is X? What if deep down Anthony wants us to call him and ask him how he's doing? I don't know that that's legit. Wow, look at how many licks I farmed last time I did this. So many licks. I'm just gonna do this. Did I think I linked to Github last time? Oh my god. How do I keyboard? Watching this stream, it makes me feel better. Well, man, I hope you recover, Where's X, because maybe, well, we've gone too far now. Because yeah, COVID sucks, and I completely understand how painful it is. But yes, please get better. Deep down, Andy Rain's code doesn't want to code, he just wants to stream Type Racer. Yeah. Oh, how many licks? Yeah. Did I tell you that I am slightly brain broken? Actually, if I tell you where licks comes from, maybe that's not stream appropriate. But sends lick emoji with malicious intent. Yeah. Why don't you write a Twitter bot for pre-commit stars milestone? Because it literally happens once every 6 months, and it would not be worth my time in any way, shape, or form. But yeah, I guess I should retweet my own Twitter but on the other account. Oh, that's not how that works. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Hey, someone got to it before I did. Impressive. Okay, cool. Where does the licks come from? We want to know. I'm gonna get bonked so many times if I explain to you where licks comes from, so we're just not going to. We're just gonna not. You guys are gonna bonk me anyway. It is not a feed thing. Oh, so it's good? I mean, Mr. Singh says, gonna miss AOC tomorrow. Oh no! Well, I'll be there. Okay, that's all we need to know. I'm Dusty. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, anyway. Before I got super distracted. Let's take a look at the code. Okay, install Lua. And that all looks fine. Yep. Here's the actual language. All seems fine. Default healthy. That's okay. Install. Yeah, this doesn't do anything. This doesn't do anything. And remove this here. The check, the first parameter in this call here is just for the error message and doesn't do any additional checking. Two double dashes. I did get two double dashes. Nice, nice. Yeah, you're playing the double dash drinking game. Sometimes a rock spec is not available. We should add a placeholder rock spec into the empty template. For example, let's see what I did for Dart. Oh no, why is the build failing? Probably Conda? IPy. IPy and latest kit. Did Docker get rid of the Hello World package again? Unable to find something. Unable to scan account service, account from query, context deadline exceeded. Was Docker just down? Alright, let me log into this and not show my phone number here. Stupid Microsoft accounts. Is this some pep rule to do from X import Y on different lines? It is not, but I go over my rationalization for this here. I do the double dash thing too. Yeah. Can we take a sip of water for every double dash? Which reminds me, I need to fill up my water. So let me get logged into Microsoft and then click the rerun on that, and then I will go fill up my water. I start using double dash and I mix it often with ... Nice, nice, nice. I was just learning Docker with the Hello World container. Yeah, it should work here. Patch Step says Docker looks fine. Docker is down bad. Could you imagine, like... Never mind. I don't want to go there. I don't want to personify Docker.io as a horny anime girl. That's totally not going to happen. Okay. We're logged in now. Play. Try this again. Rerun. Azure Pipelines is down today too. Wonderful. Hitting Docker's bandwidth rate limit? Probably not, because it's from CI, so like I don't really think it has anything to do with there. Explains back as plus. Yeah, the full text search is kind of bad. First child says, is there a way you would point out the top 5 or top 10 of your videos to watch? It depends on what you want to know. There are definitely some that I think are better than others, but I have so many of them now that like I don't know that I could pinpoint a specific one. But yeah, some of them are better than others. I can admit to that. Docker Chan. Yeah. Lately everything is just broken. Yeah. Is there a reason to use Azure DevOps instead of GitHub Actions? Yes, um, because there's no way to do pipeline templating in GitHub Actions that works correctly yet. We tried to migrate a few streams ago, but there's just not enough that makes it work properly. So this is way more convenient than any benefits that GitHub Actions would give me, and they're basically the same backend. It's just different front ends. Explains JD and I. Yeah. I do. If you do explains log for shell, I do have a video for that. Whisper. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Show us your backend. Good thing the bot is in Python. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back, and then we will continue looking at this. So I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. How's it going? So I was thinking back to one of the type racers, and the first like two sentences were the same as the lyrics as the song uh from this song. So, like when I was doing that type racer, I was thinking in my head, well, I guess the first line. So I like instinctively was going to type this next line, then I was like, wait a minute, that's not right. That's not right. But what did I miss since last time? Have comprehensive knowledge of Python. If you know the basic content, does it constrain better? What? Knock, who's there? Java, 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 Java. Wait, what? No, it's supposed to be long pause then Java. That's the Java joke. Is Cloud Foundry like Hinte Foundry? Probably not. Okay, I got distracted here. This is rerunning. We'll let that rerun over here. Oh, I was looking for my Dart PR. Yes. Pull request, start, closed. Where is the empty template file? Here we go. Delia, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Rocks can't install multiple packages at once, so install them individually. Interesting. I did not know that was a thing. That seems fine. That seems fine too. Oh, this is in a weird order. This is in the opposite order of what I would expect. Yeah, this is the opposite order. This is us.make dir's dir name exist okay equals true. I tend to order functions in the opposite order of what you've written here. The helpers at the top and the guys at the bottom, and calls things above it. I'd love to write a formatter that just fixes this, but it's really hard to get it right. What's the best way to master Git? Just use it a lot. I guess. So we upgrade path, Lua path, and Lua C path. Interesting. Should this inherit or should it override? Get Lua path version. This seems really brittle. Hey, what's up, Exonity? Good to see you again. You'll learn real quickly that way, faster than a hare running from a wolf. This seems kind of fragile. I think it would be better to raise an error if it can't be detected at all. Wait. Standard out. I don't think this is going to work on Windows with the slashes. Oh, yeah, we gotta ban someone. And we have to add a new banned phrase as well. How do I do that? Content, settings. Moderation, maybe? Block terms and phrases. Phrase. Cool. Well, fuck that guy. Continue to add brand phrases until we are there. Python 360, 360, 390. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Considering starting a new religion, so I'm in the market for followers. You have to type /gift5 to ban them. Does that actually work? Can you actually gift from? Oh, you actually can. That's crazy. Why do they make that so easy? Anthony, you look tired? I mean, my sleep schedule's a little messed up right now. I'm maybe a little tired, but Answer says, just wasted 6 hours trying to compute radar stuff. It resulted in an RMSC of 1,500 meters elevation. I don't know what that means, but I feel ya. I understand. If you're tired, you need water. How's it going, Oscar Allen? A religion that believes in believing nothing. Classy Cat, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing today? My viewers should check you out. How was your stream? What did you work on? How's your Saturday going? Okay, that part seems fine. This seems a little bit apt cache show Lua apt. Why does this give me all sorts of garbage? Oh. Because you can install Lua 5.3, 5.2, or 5.1. Weird. Desk and Vikash, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It was good, nice. Started making a drawing app type thing using Three.js. I'm laughing to myself because I'm an idiot, but there's a restaurant in San Mateo. Oh, they renamed it. Permanently closed. Okay, it's gone. But there's a restaurant in San Mateo called Three. And I thought I was hilarious and called it Three.js. I don't know why, but my ex-girlfriend hated that, but yeah, anyway. Whenever I think about Three.js, I also think about this restaurant because brain broken. But Three.js is kind of fun. It means the elevations on computer can be 1,500 meters higher or lower. Oh yeah, that's not helpful at all. Oh, plus or minus a kilometer and a half. Maybe she's next because of that. Yeah, F's in the chat for that, I guess. Yeah, this is not a good line. It's not a good line. Yeah, this is not a good idea. At the very least, it should be user local bin. So, also strikes he has odd. There isn't a non-versioned executable. Then again, oh, you guys can't see this because it's off the screen. Then again, I haven't written much Lua. Actually, I did write Lua on stream once. I wonder what I did for that. We can actually look it up. In 2019, I think we did Lua. Day 8. Int code and Lua. Advent of code 2019, day 8. Anthony writes code. I found int code in Lua. Hello? Well, I have the videos locally, so I can just do it instead. Then we don't have to buffer. 2019. Oh, the date stamps on these aren't great. 12/5, 12/7, 12/8. ABC Games, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Fun concept, design multiple websites, each based with a UI encapsulating an X. Oh no. That would just be just web design but sadness. Oh, this was an interesting time. Wait, why am I writing SQLite? This isn't Lua. Where's the Lua? There's int code. Then I'm working on my text editor. Oh, this is before I adjusted my follow notifications. Wait, why am I working on day 9? This is the wrong day. That's why. This is the one. Oh, nope. Where did the other player go? Oh, it's just here. Epic search skills, then buffering, yeah. Lua versus Lua Rocksmith can be a bit interesting for NeoVim. This is the Python solve. Oh, this was another one of these days. This is my int code solution, right? Yes. Okay, int code. Yeah, this is a fun stream. This is back before I used my text editor, though. Look, you can't see this, but look at this pose. This is just such a me pose. Where did I get to Lua? This is still int code shenanigans. Code and Color, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Programming in Lua, here we go. We have a program started there. Okay, so I am using the versions executable here. Interesting. Tazgon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Yeah, interesting. I don't know what the right answer is for this PR. I'm hoping that they know more about Lua than I do, which is almost certainly true. Maybe pre-commit should try and discover any executable that looks like. What do Lua developers usually do? If I recall correctly, Lua versioning is weird. 5.1 versus 5.2 versus 5.3 might as well be different languages. Oh. Huh. Interesting. Jonathan Ari says, does someone know programming in Qt Designer with Python for Visual Studio Code? I know some of those things. FJ says, do you use some config on Nano to write Python? I'm not actually using Nano. Is this Nano? It is my own text editor that I have written from scratch. Is there a way we could make this work with older versions? Seems a little unfortunate to require such a new version. What do you mean, silly buttons? Oh, it's disabled. um, uh, what is this? Train an AI on all the official Pokemon portraits and had it generate its own. Oh boy. These look terrible. These are some fucking nightmare fuel. What the fuck? Do you only know Python or do you study other languages? I know about 10 or 15 programming languages. Aren't they cute? They look like demon spawn. This could be this. You could do strip components equals 1 to have a more. No, I don't give a shit. It's fine. Is this running Lua or is it running Python? Oh, here's how the rock spec works. Cool. What? I will just assume that's how it works. I prefer to always use with mock.patch.object. Mock.patch string is hard to trace side effects and has been a really annoying source of bugs in the past. Okay, that all seems fine. Inspect pretty prints tables. That seems fine. Okay, overall seems fine. Some 666 AI, yeah. Yeah, precisely. Overall seems fine. I haven't looked at the comments in the actual PR yet, so I will address those next. Okay. Already did this. I can address this bit. Yep, that'll happen in here. Okay, so that's the first part of this. Don't you like me to apply for Windows? Hmm. Would be ideal to test it on Windows as well. That can come later if you'd like. This really only need to work. Github action. So I would see if someone else has a Lua setup that works well for them. By Github actions, I mean Azure pipelines. Let's see, Azure pipelines, Lua setup. Oh my god. What the fuck do they do here? It's probably not what we want. Anyway, libs. You suggest me a good Python library framework to control Chrome or Chromium similar to Puppeteer.js. I mean, I've used Selenium, WebDriver, works all right. I don't know specifically though. EBZ Game says, I'm thinking this is too much. What's better for a developer actually, Linux or Windows? My friend is saying to me every day that I should go Arch Linux. Bro, do you even Arch Linux? I would really strongly recommend against Arch Linux if it is your first experience with Linux. You are going to have a bad time and get frustrated with it. And even though I would consider myself very experienced with Linux, I would not enjoy working with Arch, just because the stability is not there still. That's kind of by design. Is there a Cypress version for Python? I'm not sure. Not sure. And admittedly, I'm not even running Linux. I'm just running it in a VM, so yeah. Is there anything else that I need to comment on here? Okay. I'm excited about excited about this. It's cool. Fat round clock. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Steve Bandito, how you doing? Good to see you again. Okay. With that one. Oh, now we get to do the deadsnakes one, which is gonna be fun. You got boosted. Now you have 6G. Nice. Oh, and Sarcastic Dante is here too. Good to see you again. How are you doing? Okay, this passed. Cool. Cool. Which means this no longer has a red badge here, probably. Nice, nice. Okay, I'm gonna sit down for this because I think I need to focus a little bit better. It's like when you turn down the radio to Parallel Park. This is me putting my desk down to focus a little bit better. An armchair critic. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Steve Mendito says, Log4j has been the bane of my existence this past week. Yeah, it's kind of sucked for a lot of people. Okay. So what we're going to be trying to fix today is the Python 3.10 plus pip installation with global deadsnakes. The event says, oh god, this finds Lua from NeoVim. What the fuck language is this written in? CMake. Okay, that's why it's gonna be garbage. Got it. Yes. Uh-huh. Cool. They keep finding new RCs. Yeah. Well, as soon as the whole world is looking at a little tiny piece of code, they're gonna find all sorts of shit. But also, when you half-ass patch, fix it. Like the first patch to fix the JD&I stuff was just banning LDAP. But there's so many other protocols that it could still use that really fix it. But yeah. But yeah. I mean, finding them is a good thing. It means just more emails and meetings with non-textual managers say, yes, really, we're also protected against this. Yeah. Confusing as fuck other than path. Yeah, I don't know why all the other stuff is needed there. EVZ Game says, I feel like I'm the youngest person here. Yeah, I'm fucking old. I understand. You just say it like that, you know? Ban LDAP, yeah. It was a fix it now, don't care how moment. Yeah, exactly, Anticosta. Or how long will you stream? I don't know. We've only been going for an hour 45 so far, so we got some other we got some time. EPA deadsnakes. I find Java is a small language that doesn't run on many devices. Yeah. Yeah. You're not streaming until AOC unlocks? No, we'll do another stream for that later. I will need to eat food and be real life person. 13, so I think I'm still too young for reading programming books. No, you can start at any age. And at least you're 13, so I don't have to ban you. Because I gotta uphold the terms of service. 3.10 dev. So we are going to be playing around. I should snapshot this container. That way I can just start over. Yeah, if you're under 13, you can't be on Twitch without parental supervision or whatever. And so it's usually easier to just say nobody below age 13, but yeah. The best programmers learned when they were younger than 13 on Commodore 64. Yeah, well, my first program was on a. I have it. I threw it out which is a little sad in retrospect, but I just didn't have space to keep everything. On a TI-83 calculator, was some of my first code. I didn't have the actual code on the calculator, so there wasn't quite the nostalgia factor. So I actually don't feel that bad about getting rid of it. Okay, curl location output get pip.py bootstrap.pypa.pypa.io/get pip.py. Okay. And then we will snapshot this container. That looks good. Hi there, you may be wondering what this giant blob of binary data is. Nope, I know exactly what it is. Podman PS. What is the command? It's save? No. Oh boy. Commit. That's what I want. Onsenkov, hello. I am so sincerely jealous of you in a good way about you being back in Ann Arbor. I would give almost everything to be back there right now. Eastern European life sucks. Oh no. Yeah, I'm pretty happy in Ann Arbor. But it's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Ah, in Spanish. Let's see. Programming in Python with, I don't know what principiantes is. Principles? And book of work of Python. That's my terrible translation of the second one. I think it's actually not that far off. I used to know a lot of Spanish. Yes, translating Spanish to Spanish. Python workbook. Oh yeah, that seems a lot a lot better than my straight up literal translation. This programming principles with Python? Python programming for beginners. Oh, this is beginners. Oh, I get it. That makes sense. I understand now. Close enough, yeah. Chicken to pie, hello, hello. Also Central Europe, nice, nice. Yes, that is the correct translation. AVZ Games. Wait, what the fuck was I doing? Making sure this still works. Okay, we can exit out of this. Cool. All right, so the problem is, let me demo the problem and then we'll try and fix it. Problem is I run this script. Well, that's not the problem. That's a different problem. We need to do this. I think it's actually Python 3 does utils. Oh no, it does actually get those. Okay, cool. Spanish 101 with Anton. Yeah. You almost translated perfectly. Yeah, I did a couple of years of Spanish in high school, and I tested out of 4 years of Spanish in college, which makes no sense because I definitely don't think I was good enough to test out of 4 years. I think I was just really good at guessing what was the right answer, and it was multiple choice. And the speaking part, I got away with just doing everything in first person, and I knew first person fairly well. And my vocabulary was great, despite spending most of my time in Spanish class looking up curse words in the dictionary and letting the cute girl in front of me do my homework for me. So, yeah. I wouldn't have a degree without COVID because if I couldn't cheat on Spanish, I would have failed. Oh my god. Yeah, that's funny. Someone bit me the other day. I had to look at your comments on a dead issue. Yeah. Yeah, this is an unfortunate Debianism that will go away at some point because both of these modules are deprecated. But yeah. Okay, so let's try this again now. So the bug is if I do this, it succeeds, but then pip is not available. So if we now do Python 3-m pip version, or 3.10, I mean, it's gonna be the same error message. So that's the bug. Python 3.10 I'm sure pip, yeah, that'll have the same problem. So we need to fix both of those today. Xregex, hello, what distribution are you running? Yes, you can do bang OS, or you can do bang distro, or you can do, there's a few other commands that alias to the same thing. Okay, so we need to fix this. And from what I understand, yeah, I'm in VirtualBox. Yeah, I'm running Windows. Yep, it's an elaborate facade. It makes for some funny clips though. Like, where's the one? Oh, this is gonna start talking. No. Okay, wait, what was this? That's just me whinging. That's where's the clip? I guess it's from further back. We're never gonna find it now. Anthony shows his feet, yeah. Oh, this one. This clip. There's one frame at the end that gives it away, but it's still pretty funny. Okay, so what we have to do is edit this file. User lib python 3.10 sysconfig. There is a bug in this file somewhere. I should do this in the other panel. Ben says this will be amazing if fixed. I think I can fix it. The pip maintainers gave me some hints on where I need to actually modify stuff. So the problem is there are several functions in here. So there's this get preferred scheme, and then there's this get preferred scheme, and then there's this get default scheme. And I think that these need to be adjusted in some way. Yeah, the buy in the clip is pretty good. Yeah. Preferred scheme. Okay, so I think this function and this function need to be adjusted. Maybe. POSIX home. What is POSIX home up here? POSIX home. Installed base lib python. Where's my user local thing in here? Oh, Unix local deb system. Yeah. Why does this not mention lib though? Or local? Oh, this is gonna be so annoying to fix. Okay, let me see what the pip maintainer said about this, because that will maybe make this easier to understand. RKJ, how are you doing? Good to see you again. People were being dicks. It seems that get preferred scheme needs to be patched like the get default scheme in 3 and prior, so that get preferred scheme prefix returns POSIX local or deb system instead of POSIX prefix as it currently does. Okay. So where's Debian's patch? This one? Yeah. They call it POSIX local. Also, they have local in all these strings. Okay, so we should maybe do the same thing. Let's try that first. We'll call it POSIX local instead of Unix local. I want to make it as close to the Debian patch as possible. Okay, so Unix local. Wait. Wait. Fuck. What is this supposed to be? Do they also patch distutils? Okay, so they call it Unix local here. So I think this is supposed to be POSIX local. Confusing, but there we go. Why does this emoji look so cute? Yeah, my emotes are pretty adorable. Manjami GD says hello, welcome. Cool keyboard. Yeah, if you want to learn more about it, you can do bang keyboard. Deedel says, hey, howdy, hey. Is anyone else ready for sleep? I am. My eye is still twitching, which sucks. It's really annoying. Fen says, since you talked about your OS, have you tried dropping VirtualBox and just using WSL? Yes, that is addressed in the video that is linked when you do bang OS as to why I do not do that. Brainwashed, how you doing? Will there be a cooking stream after? I wasn't planning to do one. What can I cook? I could bake. I don't really have any I don't have anything to cook other than like pre-made stuff, which is kind of boring. Did you make a bot for your own channel? I did. If you do bang bot, you can learn more about the bot. It's running right here and has some cool features. Do you want to see some of the cool features? We can just show some of the cool features. RWX Two-Man Shoe, welcome. New Chainsaw Man trailer. I don't know what that means. Terminology. We'll get the Freet cache. Okay. Python-m bot images. So oh, you got scammed, silly buttons. You timed that so poorly. You missed out by 2 seconds. You got scammed. Hey, what's up, Dota? Hello. All right, spam emotes, chat. This is what I'm trying to show off. Emotes, let's go. You got skamazed there, silly buttons. Yeah, and it even has animated emotes. Look at how fancy. How does it work? You can read the code to find out. It's pretty cool though. Acid UK, how's it going? How does it print to the console? It just prints. But yeah, pretty fancy. Yeah, it doesn't know how to do its own emotes though. It only knows how to do emotes that are received, not the sent ones. I don't believe ANSI supports GIFs. Yeah, it is not standardized in any way. Hey, what's up, Renegade Set? Hello. Welcome. But yes, the bot can print emotes to the terminal. For one terminal emulator. But what is this emote? I hovered it to assuming I would get the little tooltip, and then I was like, wait a minute. That's not how this works. Okay. We go back now. Is it a custom built terminal? No, this is a terminal called Terminology. I didn't make it. But since I scammed you, bot bits 51. I can't change the username now. Change it in the database. Oops, we want. There we go. I've unscammed you. Select star from vim bits where user equals username. Update vim bits set user equals silly buttons. Okay. There we go. You've been credited for your bits. What is the business proposition of pre-commit? Pre-commit or pre-commit CI? Because pre-commit is just an open source tool. And the Precomment CI business proposition is literally the first thing of the website. So you can just read that. There are a few different terminals that have varying degrees of support for graphics in the terminal. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Just do the bits now instead of the $100 GitHub thing. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. I understand. I was confused for a second. I was like, oh, right. I remember now. You used to sponsor me on GitHub. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. SDK says, I started looking at Discord Twitch bots, but got too hung up on async. Yeah, async's kind of a mess. It says, after PR is submitted, some places have a build process. It's useful to pass that build process locally before pushing. Yeah, but many, I mean, very few actually do that. And some build processes are so large that it's impossible. Morph Darko, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. And the feet cache. Okay, so let's continue modifying this. That seems fine. That's a PyC file. We don't need that. But we want to edit this file. So we have to edit a few things here. The preferred scheme and default scheme. Oh, also we have to change those things up here to have local in them. Yeah. So what ones need local? I'm going to take this off screen so that I can look at it and type at the same time. Okay, so platlib needs to have plat base. I think platlib there is right. Okay, then we have pure lib, which will be, wait, why does this, this is a little inconsistent. Platlibdir, wait, platlibdir? Platlibdir. We'll just be consistent with Debian. No reason to diverge. Okay, platlib. Include install base local include plat include. Plat include is installed plat base local include. Okay. And then scripts is base local bin. I think this should actually be base local also. Yeah, and I don't know if this one's right either. Debian also puts these in the other order, so I'm gonna do that as well. Would be a pipe train. I mean that's just what Precommit does. Python 390, thank you for the resub at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's great to see you again. You got Debian? I'm not actually running Debian here, but I could in a Docker image. Windows running Ubuntu running Debian, yeah, pretty much. I'm looking at the Debian patch here. I just put that on the other screen so that I could see what it was doing and type at the same time. Yeah, this is right. I think this should be base local. But fuck it. I'm just gonna leave it the same. See what happens. Python 3.9 resubscribes as Anthony Writes Code is fixing 3.10. Yeah, exactly. Wait, Python 390, are you gonna change your name now? I feel like you've had that name for a long time though, so I feel like it's not related to the Python version. Well, I could be wrong. Dota, you changed your color. Look at that. You're now red. Might be 3.90. Hey, there we go. There we go. Oscar Island was blue also? Yeah, Oscar Island's also always blue. Oh, you changed it because Oscar Island was blue. Got it. 310 is not all the way there yet. Yeah, well, we're trying to make some improvements there today. Okay, so get default scheme needs to change. Let's just copy this code, assume that's right. Wait, that function just doesn't exist? What the fuck? This function doesn't exist. What the hell is this shit? What? I can't stand for my messages being misinterpreted as Oscar Allen. Them's fighting words. Okay, so I think I can just not trust this, but I think we need to take that same patch and apply it to get preferred schemes. Is that what this person said? Get preferred scheme. Key. Get preferred schemes. Okay. So I think we need to paste this in here. This isn't Babby, so I don't have nice things, so I have to do this jank. Oh. I'm so used to the Babby behavior that the nano behavior is just painful. Oh fuck. I don't know how to scroll one line at a time in nano either. Oh, it's crazy how much I've gotten used to my own editor and the subtle differences here. And how painful this is to type. Okay. POSIX home, POSIX user. Shit. So this should be deb system. This should be POSIX local. And this is just gone. All right, is this going to work? Let's make a snapshot. EBZ is heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Have a good one. When I say tonight, I might open Twitch again. Remember that I like watching this nice person. Nice. Xredic says I can relate anything that isn't Vim is painful for me. Yeah, that's fair. Package Babby for Ubuntu. That would be a real pain in the ass. Wimax, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Also, I don't even know if it'd work. None type is not subscriptable. Alright. It preferred skims. Did I forget a return? How is this possibly returning none? Oh, because it's indented weird. This is painful. Whoops. You know, I could just install Babby. That would maybe be the smart way to do this. Okay, snapshot again. Almost out of VS Code. Really hope WebStorm has a cyclocomplexity plugin. I feel like cyclomatic complexity is not worth tracking at all. Installing Vim is the only smart way. Oh, it's running. Oh? Oh? Hey, look at that. Cool. All right. But now I need to apply that to the Debian sources. My cyclomatic complexity is generally at less than 10. After point, there's no point. Though you're right. It's either an issue or it isn't. Yeah, the thing with cyclomatic complexity, and I see this pattern in industry a lot, where someone will turn on a cyclomatic complexity lint check, and you know it'll get used for a while, and then someone will need to make a patch where they need to improve something, and they will hit the cyclomatic complexity lint error, and they will do one of two things: they will disable the lint error, or they will bump up the minimum value. And those are often the right decision, because cyclomatic complexity is not necessarily a useful measure of code complexity. Like, a function may have lots of branches, but that doesn't mean that it is difficult to maintain. And often splitting it up into separate functions makes the code harder to read and harder to maintain. So I actually think cyclomatic complexity is a bad measure, but yeah, they make it a lint error, especially with Flake8. What are your PC specs? If we do FAQ build, I think it is. Yes, and that'll go over my computer build. My specs are fairly outdated. I built this machine in 2018. So yeah. Okay, so we modified two files. We modified the distutils file and the sysconfig file. So we need to copy both of those out. I'm going to modify the nightly one just because it builds faster. Deadsnakes, Python 3.10 nightly. Oh, but can we build it? Maybe I'll temporarily disable PGO and do it in the not nightly. Julian says, I have a complaint. Oh no. I use pre-commit Flake8 PyTest and talks my day-to-day coding, and they make my life easier. As a developer, I expect nothing but grueling mundane tasks day after day, like it was 30 years ago. You need to delete these projects. That's funny. When there's 20 undocumented underscore functions that have 2 if statements to get around the linter, shit makes no sense. Yeah, exactly. Zonami, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Netlify. Oh yeah, that's upstream. Right. Okay, so we need to do GBP PQ export. No, import. Okay, then we need to do get log lib sysconfig. The fuck? Oh god, yeah, we fucked things up. These commands are so fiddly. There we go. That's what we want. Now this should have, yes, there we go. Docker desktop taking 30 minutes to start up? Yeah, well, that's the problem of using a Mac. I just assumed Docker desktop was going to die with the license changes. I mean, I don't use it. I just run Linux. Llama, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Julian says Linux supremacy as I'm using Windows. I mean, you and me both, but I think a VM is much less painful than trying to run Docker desktop. Much more reliable as well. Docker desktop has a bunch of long-standing terrible bugs. So this is actually going to be annoying. But I think it's fine. We can just check out that difference. Okay. So let's copy the file out of this. cp this user lib python 3.10 sysconfig.py to dot. And we also need, what was the other file that we modified? This file. This is the other file that we copied. Okay. Go away. This is the PGO. Enable fast PGO. I think if I revert this, then it turns off PGO. Let's try that. And we're just going to do this just to test stuff, because it'll be faster. I switched to using QEMU on my work Mac. QEMU, wow. Interesting. Student says, to be honest, I use WSL for developing. I can't stand Windows errors, plus I daily drive Linux at work, so my hypocrisy isn't that extreme. Nice, nice. Donamy says, hey everyone, I'm totally new into coding. I really won't go to a data education, but I didn't come in. But that doesn't stop me. I want to learn everything, and this feels like it's gone through Google Translate. I'm having a really hard time following this. Recommendations like Python or Java, or I can learn all from scratch. Yeah, I mean, this is my advice for getting started with programming. So I would check out that video. I basically, the TLDR is like, learn the basics of a language and then build projects to get better at stuff. Yeah, watch some Anthony Explains videos. Yeah, I have a video. You could watch a video a day and go for more than a year at this point. Yes, the videos, indeed. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to do this on this branch. Shit. Okay, let's start over. Get vocal, get branch dash D, push Q, word. Okay. Get log libs sysconfig. I want to rebase on top of this branch. And we want to edit this patch, and we want to copy sysconfig into lib. And then we need to check out, partial check out this. Yeah, we gotta get rid of the multi-arch. No, yes. Okay, so that should, what changes here? Wait, what happened to Unix local? Oh, that was what my thing was before. Right. Wait, this doesn't feel right. Deb system. Oh, I reordered these. Yeah. Deb system. Got it. Yeah. Still think this is not right. This should be 3.10. I don't think anyone's ever going to complain about that, so it's probably fine. You're right in Python to use a GPU. Oh no. Oh no. Nothing like putting a bunch of money down on computer parts. Yeah, that's why I haven't built anything in 3 years. Because, like, buying not even a top-end GPU cost more than my entire fucking computer cost last time I built. And that's how goddamn bullshit crypto is. I'm so mad about that. Burns the OG, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. How can I check if a time object is overlapping by another time interval? If you have, so you have 2 pairs of date times, you just need to do some subtraction to see if there's overlap. There's also an edge case where it fully overlaps. But yeah, it's just some less than comparisons. Chronox, thank you for the follow, and M Luxfin, thank you for the follow as well. Welcome. F me, I didn't know Getlog had grep. Oh yeah, it's so good. Getlog -- grep. It greps the message, which is nice. Put 1300 on a new server. Nice. To be honest, it's not only crypto's fault that GPUs are overpriced. It's the okay. Maybe it's the maybe it's only 98% of the reason, and like the 2% is chip shortages related to other stuff, and global supply chain lockup. But it's almost entirely crypto's fault. Hey, what's up, Sigma Monkey? Hello. I was lucky that I built my current PC a week before crap hit the fan. These last 2 years, a 3070 costs 3 times as much as my entire PC. Yeah, I have a 1080 Ti. that's how old this computer is. And yeah, it's Amen. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think this patch is right. It's a little weird, but I think it's right. We also need to do libdistutils install, commands install. We need to modify this patch. Oh, unless it's this patch. It's this patch. libdistutils man install. And this should have a whole bunch of other shit that we need to do. That's the only lines that we actually should modify here. Michael, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Crypto more like crypto, yeah. Denemy says, thanks for the answer. Definitely didn't write that message too fast. Yeah, no problem. Chomsky Seal, welcome. TI like the calculator? No, I don't remember what the TI stands for, although it's the same atomic as titanium. Jokes on them, I just write shitty single-threaded code, so I don't need a GPU yet. 1080 Ti is gold in my country in Bosnia. Yeah, well, it's fairly dated now. It says it can be depending on use. I'm getting a 24-core, 48-thread, 128 gig of RAM server out of it. Oh, that's pretty legit. Picture Jake says, I'm out. Gotta get my booster and flu shot. Hopefully, I can still function later on. Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, the booster hit me like a truck. I mean, so did all 3 of the shots now, so it's just the way things go. Mick Tom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Takes 100 pounds of potatoes to run Doom on a TI-84. Wait, what? Texas is the best country. Oh no. Oh no. Check out dash P. So we want to not discard that one. We do want to discard this one, and that one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Yeah, that looks right. All right, do we want to do a channel point bet on whether this is going to succeed? Let's look at the diff first. Fix installation of global pip packages. And I'm going to temporarily revert this. Yeah, let's do a little channel point bet. How does this work again? Prediction. Will I fix the pip bug in 3.10? We got yes and no. We'll give you a minute to decide on that. Danif, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Glorious Musketeer says, hi Anthony. How do I install an app that I develop in Python from Linux on Windows? How are you distributing it? Through like PyPI or how do you plan for others to use it? Lopson says, is there a better way to solve AOC day 17 than just brute force? Yes. I had started figuring out the math for it and then abandoned it. I can show you a non-brute force for part 1. Here's my part 1 without brute force, just by figuring out the math. This is actually my fastest advent of code solution of all of my solutions. Part 2 is a little bit trickier, and I didn't quite get to the math, and I'm sure there is a solution, I just haven't figured it out. The subreddit might be able to find something for you there, Blopson. All right, what did we predict in our prediction? We got 7 people on no and 3 people on yes. Wow, no faith. No faith. Global pip packages local. And we'll rebase out that other commit if it works. Local 2. Okay. We've temporarily reverted PGO just so it'll build faster. And now we build and see what happens. See if we pay out the channel points or not. Fine star binaries can only be run on the platform they're built on. Yeah. Probably a perfect combination is less than any stupid characters you probably mistyped. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I think I'm fairly confident. I would have voted yes. Maybe. It's not going to fix 3.11 though. 3.11 is still broken, and I don't know how to approach that at all. I don't think Debian has even started working on 3.11. Yeah. Unless it is in a side branch. It is not. You'd have to build on Windows to transfer to Linux. Building on Linux through Wine is probably not possible. Oh yeah. Admin of Code 2021 Day 24 puzzle. Fix the Python 3.11 build for deadsnakes. No! Eric, how could you do this to me? Wow, even T-Dels went for no this time. That's new for you, T-Dels. You're usually always a yeser. I've been burned on yes, while you're about to get burned on no. Mr. Pythons, welcome back. Good to see you again. Yeah, you're about to get burned on no, D-Dels. I hope you're ready. All right, I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we are back. I'm betting no, but really hoping this works. Yeah, well, we'll see. So a lot of things have to succeed here. First, the build has to succeed. It's still going. Then, oh, did I update this? This is usually in like a weird state. Oh, it's actually not in a weird state. Then I want to update this to actually run. Oh, interestingly, we ran git pip, but we never validate that it actually works. I like how I just did exec. That's funny. Okay, so we have to additionally add a check here. Python ver. Let's just do test-x user local bin pip. It should have installed pip. This should work. And user local bin pip install ast pretty. Local bin ast pretty. Yeah. How long does it usually take? So with the with PGO it takes like 40 minutes. This should only take like 5 minutes. Although I think it's already been running for 5 minutes. I think it's doing the debug build right now, which is like the last step. So not too terribly long. I do rely on pip quite a bit. Yeah, well, 310 broke some stuff, so we're fixing it. We're making it better. How does this work? Abs path dist_dir .dist. Okay. This looks fine, so I'll need to call this with that. Okay, it shouldn't be too bad. Is this the debug build? Just forget how I can tell. It's going so fast, it's so hard to see. Oh god, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna try and read it. That's gonna hurt my head. Omega says, what framework do you use? Say more. For what things? Because I use different frameworks for different things. It's not just one framework for everything. And if there was, I probably wouldn't use it because that'd be a pain in the ass. Oh geez, so probably debug build? Okay, cool. This is the last step. Cool. Gotta go through all of the moving around stuff. Select a character to pause the shell or use pause. So that doesn't work on Linux. Like if you guys type something else in chat, this is just gonna keep going. But I also don't use pause, I just let it zoom. Oh, you mean over here that I could just select something? Yeah, that doesn't work here either. But I understand now. I did a smarter child again. The one you're using right now. Well, this is my text editor that I wrote. Which isn't, I wouldn't call it a framework. This is my bot that I wrote, which kind of is a framework, although not really. This is using git build package, which I guess you could call that a framework. It's not really a framework, it's more of a tool. Ickme, how you doing? Good to see you again. We're also using pre-commit, which is a framework. Like 8, which is a framework. I don't know if you would consider Ubuntu a framework. Probably not. I don't know. Occasionally I'll use Flask. Sometimes I'll use what else is it? Something else. Winter Shell does pause on click for me, which can be a pain. Yeah. There's been times where I've been like sitting waiting for something to complete for like 5 minutes only to realize that I've accidentally clicked on command. It's like, why are you stuck? Okay, looks like the build is going to succeed. That's the first part about this. But then we need this script to succeed. Pause works on Linux shells? I don't know. If I press pause, I've literally never pressed this button. Nope, didn't do anything. Did not do anything. Yeah, I don't know. The framework is pretty commit. Yes, indeed. I do that on Tmux way too often, yeah. And it says, every time I build a huge C++ project from GitHub, I always get anxiety and stuff not working out because of syntax or linking errors. Yeah. Wow, this VM build is taking a while. Oh, it finished 15 minutes ago, yeah. Wow, scammed? I didn't feel like I didn't scam here. Daydreamed, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Oh, it's Daydeemed. Wait, I've always been inserting an R in there. Oh no. Grab his iPad. Good to see you again as well. Okay, so the build has succeeded, but that doesn't tell us whether this part succeeded yet. So now we need to call this script runbooks quick test. We need to pass distrib codename focal, and distr should be fine. Daydream was taken. I understand. All right, moment of truth, chat. Does it succeed? That error is normal. as is this error. As is that warning. Okay. Installing pip. Wait, we gotta look at the return code. It works! Let's go! All you doubters. All you doubters. Wow. Here's outcome. Will I fix the pip bug? Answer is yes. Here's why I lose all the points. How many points did you bet, silly buttons? How many points did you bet? Have you tried all the edge cases? Well, it just like straight up didn't work here. Thank you for the bits! Ooh, now we got 6 minutes of Vim. Okay, so we still have to revert out that other patch. And we have to reapply this twice. Alright, we're in Vim. Song, this playlist is bugged, so it just plays the song over and over. So we're gonna skip to the next one. Just 5K? What do you mean just 5K? What do you mean? Oh, just 5K points. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Smarter child again. Okay, we do run books release, and then I have to do it for Bionic, and then I have to do it for Nightlies, and I have to do it for 311. So I have to do this 6 times. Fuck me so much. Glad it works though. Yeah, exactly. That's what really matters. They probably hundreds of hours of people's time. Yeah. Well, and like 10 people being extremely rude in my issue tracker. I don't understand why people think they're entitled to free work, but people sold GitHub for no good reason. So now we need to do Bionic. 310 will be easy. I don't know how easy 311 will be. Get Prosh. I'm gonna cherry pick this. That looks good. Then we need to DCH. That. Why is there red space here? Vim, what are you doing? Like, I kind of know why there's red space there. Because this is supposed to be vocal. Yeah, I feel like they fucked up their highlighting here, but it's supposed to be Bionic. You volunteered your time. Let me scream at you for making a single mistake. It's not even my mistake either, which is the crazy thing. It's like I'm building on shifting sands, and they shifted out from under me. But that's open source for you, man. People are brutal. Some people are nice. There are a lot of people in open source which are really nice, and I appreciate all the people that sponsor me on GitHub and contribute through bits on Twitch and all the other ways that people support my work. Like, I do appreciate all of that. I just wish it were less painful and more sustainable. And I would I would stream full time and work on open source all the time. It would be great. Dnell says, I can't believe I get to return to normal sleep patterns in a week. Yeah. ASC will be over. All right, let's do 310 nightly next. This is going to be tricky. Gee, Anthon appreciates me. Of course I do, build off this. Of course I do. We should also get this in here. And we get this in here because we gotta fix those ones also. Hang hug. Yeah. Data Frittata. I was hoping it would say Json, but Json. Thank you for the resub at 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge, and at tier 2. Thank you for your continued support, Data Frittata. It is great to see you again. I feel robbed. Yeah, I wonder if you would have if you would have put an accent on the O, if it would have done Json. I don't know. I don't know though. Yeah, like the other server has. What was the fucking TTS that I was laughing so hard about? What was it? It was something like select French. Was it squirrels? It was. That one's even worse. That one was just Jason. That's if you do it in other languages. Well, that one's not that weird. I don't like Japanese. Try German. German. That one's basically the same as the French one. The Japanese one, though. That's like this in Japanese. Well, it's supposed to be Mikadanaru though. But anyway. Try Bosnian? Bosnian. That just sounds like a robot. That's a whole new level of trolling on the Japanese one. Yeah. I work at McDonald's. Welcome. Almost, yeah. Oh my goodness. Well. I was not ready for that. Okay. What? You work at Mekadanarudo? I see. Old Mekadanarudo had a farm. Alright. On to focal. Json. Yeah, TTS is kind of garbage at the accents, it seems. Okay, so we gotta do this. And then we have to what? We have to copy, we gotta rebase on top of this. This utils install out. Why are these patch names different? Well, I am concerned. Okay, yeah, this is the right patch. Okay, cool. Aerobounds! Thank you for the bits, appreciate that. Good to see you again. And, oh, is this one gonna work? Json. Close, close. Oh, Hench, hello, welcome, welcome. Okay, so we need to copy both of those files over. 3.10 lib sysconfig to lib sysconfig. Just trying to mash the translator. Why do you use the arrow keys instead of JK for scrolling? Because I don't use Vim. Disutils install. All right, so then we have to check out dash. Oh my god, you guys triggered a hype train. That's hilarious. Oh shit, that's what I want to do. No. Yes. That would have been so funny if it would have pronounced it like you typed it. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I was like, what is this? It's give me back that fish. Give me that fish. Rollers, thank you for the resub at tier 1 for 18 months. Holy shit. A year and a half will get you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Json sounds okay in Google. Let's try Google's TTS then. This is much more important than writing actual programming, right? English. Let's try it in French. Jason. Really struggling to get that one out there. Silly Buttons has gifted a sub to Arrowbounds, who has now been subbed for 2 months now. Thank you for the gift sub, Silly Buttons. There's your button. There's your button. I'm out of bits. Oh no. Okay, so we do not want to discard this. No. No. Yes. Okay, cool. PQ export. Fix installation of pip. Global packages. And we will just let the nightly build take care of that. We also have to do that on Bionic. Get cherry pick Ubuntu focal. And push origin head. So that's 310 is done. Now I gotta do 311. What is the mix you are listening to? Yes, there's Bang playlist for you. What do you mean scammed? You got your button there, Silly Buttons. I have no idea how people are hearing the music in here. Yeah, it's kind of quiet. It's subtly there. I can make it louder, but then more of my VOD gets muted. So I want to do that. Although it's fully muted on YouTube, so. Everyone says, I now have a month of using an emote I like so much I might have copied to use on Discord before realizing you had a server. Ah, yes. Yes. And if you link your account to Discord, you can use all of my Twitch emotes on Discord as well. But yes, my emotes are pretty good. I'm a fan of my emotes. Okay, Python 3.11, which is actually out of date because Alpha 2 has come out already. The problem is the 3.11 Alpha 2. Oh, Alpha 3 is even out. Actually, what tag am I on? Oh, I'm on Alpha 2, so I just haven't upgraded to Alpha 3. Alpha 3 has the breakage that I don't know how to fix, so I'm just gonna wait until Debbie installs it, because that's gonna be way easier. Tickly says, with FFZ, you can turn off the default Twitch audio compression, which makes the music much louder and audible. Huh. You developed PyTest. So I work as a core dev on PyTest. I didn't create PyTest, but I have done a lot of work on it. But no, I didn't create it. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to do the same thing here. Import the patches, and then cp, or no, git log lib sysconfig. Base on top of this. Edit that. And then we check out dash p. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Fix pip. Or what was it before? Yeah. And then we have to make a release here. Local 3. Hey, thank you for the hype train chat. Ethan's here. How you doing, Ethan? Have you heard of the Effective Java book? I don't read books. Don't know. Is Faggle. That's totally what I wanted. Okay. Three. And then we have to do a release. We all got the dolphin. Nice. Grandpa's iPad says I would never discard this hunk. At least you were self-aware and self-bonked. You knew exactly what was up there. Okay, I got to get my GPG key, and then we got to do it for Bionic. Although for Bionic it's easy, it's just cherry pick. And then we have to do it for Nightly. And then, oh, I also have to validate that pip actually works. Push that up. It's probably just Pigment CI. Nope, it's other stuff. Cool. So now, Ubuntu Bionic, get cherry pick, Ubuntu Focal up one, then Bionic 3, and then copy this string out from up here. Did you notice that when the text editor opens, it opens at this line? Pretty neato. That took so long to get right, though. Sonic 3. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I definitely butchered your name there. Wait, Ethan, you have another shiny Umbreon emote? Wow. From Fallout Plays. They are a big channel. They are a very big channel. You can just say Suba. Okay, cool, cool. Welcome to the stream, Suba. Elgon Code, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I got 3 gift subs in 2 days recently. Nice, nice. I think my bongo's better though. Alright, Shibajiki. Then we gotta do 11 nightly, even though those builds are currently broken. But we'll at least apply the patches. Those. Oh, did I push the 310 nightly? No, I applied the patches. I don't know if I pushed. Yep. Okay, cool. Python 3.11 nightly. Bunga greater than all. Yeah, it's true. It's true. That is basically the best emote. Get law. I think it does prefix matching. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, we're just gonna abort then. There we go. CP this. Dash P, no, yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. Okay. That should all be fixed now. So I believe this is fixed now. The version, the apt version for these will look like this, but focal 2. The 2 being the update version. 3.11, it'll be. There was another revision. The Devil Kid, how are you doing? Good to see you again. Oh, there's a double emote there. Also by Fallout. Cool, cool. I definitely like ABC Carpet more than. Yeah, ours is better. The server says cherry pick is still one of the git commands that I have no idea what it actually does. Well, fortunately, watch me be wrong here. Yeah, I do have a cherry pick command. Basically, what it does is it takes a commit from some other branch and then replays it on your current branch. It's like rebase, but for a single commit. Rebase is basically a repeated cherry pick. Or at least that is how I think about it. And that's actually why when you do get rebase, that's why these are pick, because they're cherry picks. I'm gonna do this because we don't actually want to do that. Okay, so that should fix all of these things. So we're gonna let me just make sure that I pushed first off. Yep. Yeah, we did. So we get rid of 310, 3.11, 3.10 nightly, and 3.11 nightly. And also remove these 2 files. And we pushed this, yep. What are you, T? Oh, this is when I was adding the fill packages. Yes, don't need this anymore. It was a cool script though. We do not need it anymore. Checklist, what are you? Really don't need you anymore either. How long has the software and game development been a thing? It has been a thing for a couple months. It's relatively new. Is there a way to search my own tweets? Is that a thing? Can I search these? I missed the old programming category though. Do I have to do this? Oh right, that's not my handle. Maybe if I just say Twitch, that's gonna get all my things, isn't it? The depression tag, yes. Indeed. I don't know, it's been a couple of months though. Oh, here we go. September 2nd is when it came back. It used to be called programming back in 2018. Then they lumped us in with the animals. Literally. Sullivan says, I made it to 4 without chugging a beer. This is a first. Oh, you mean like 4 p.m.? Searching Twitter on the main screen, brave of you. Yeah, that's fair. There is some not safe stuff on Twitter. Yeah, that is a good point. I miss competing with the Ducks. Oh, fuck the Ducks. They always won. The Ducks always won. Wait, there was no competition. The Ducks always won. Alright, do we have any other open source stuff to look at? We're 3 hours in, that's it? I've done all the things? That's crazy. We could work more on Flake 8. But I might just take a nap. I think a nap might be in order. Yeah. Pretty soon I want to start working on GitLab support for pre-commit CI. I've started doing some research. It seems like it's going to be kind of difficult to make GitLab work exactly the same as work the same as GitHub, just because GitLab's apps suck. Like they have not invested as much as GitHub has, and it kind of makes sense because like GitLab CI is a thing, and so they don't really want to make it easier to use other providers, but we'll see what we can add there. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I will be back later today for Advent of Code, so I will see you in about 6.5 hours. Let me do my little spiel, and then we will send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. YouTube. So yeah, three educational videos a week. I'm also uploading my Advent of Code solutions, which I guess went live 4 minutes ago. So check those out. If you missed any part of the stream or you want to catch up on previous streams, there's also my second channel for VODs, and you can click through here. I normally stream on, well, we're on a bit of a weird schedule right now. So I'm streaming every day for Advent of Code at midnight Eastern. And I'm also streaming on Saturdays at noon. But once Advent of Code is over, we'll be doing Monday streams again. But I announce those streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. And Lethargic Walrus, thank you for the follow. Welcome. So one of those is on Twitter, where I announce my streams. The other is on Discord, which you are all free to join. Cool place to hang out. Upapa, thank you for the follow. And Drinkastrati, thank you as well for the follow. But yeah, join the Discord, follow on Twitter, and thank you all for stopping by, and let us go find someone to raid.